Hi, I'm Ray. Today we're having a look at our grapevine. This is the grapevine that's been in the polytunnel, and we're now towards the end of June and it's now spurting out runners in every direction possible. And there's also many bunches of grapes, and we need to sort out a few of these issues. First of all, the grapevine has become so heavy it's broken the twine that was hanging from the polytunnel. So I'm just going to add another bit of twine to attach it to so it's away from the door frame. As it's got so heavy, it's pulled it away. This is just one grapevine that has been here for about 1 year. Last year it produced one bunch of grapes, so hopefully this year we should get a better crop. So we've just supported that temporarily, and then we can have a look. So we need to get rid of all these runners, and they're sending out quite a few shoots. But if we look at the spurs, there's 2 bunches of grapes, and for one bunch to grow we need to remove one of the bunches so the second lot can get patterned up. So we have to remove one of the bunch of grapes, which is a bit of a shame because they're growing really well. And while we're at it, we're going to also cut back the runner back to 1 leaf. As we can see, this is the runner, and if you don't cut these off, they're just going to go a long way pretty mad. You can also just replant these and get extra plants, which is a real bonus. So we're going through the whole of our plant, going back to 1 flower, and we're snipping. And we're also checking for each one bunch on that one. This one hasn't got any, so we're just going to go back 1 leaf, and it's already clearing up. We're looking at each spur, looking back. I'm going to leave that one. 2, 1 on this one. So this has got a runner coming out here, and it's got 1 bunch, so I'm just going to remove that. And this one has got 2 bunches, so I'm just going to remove that. And as we can see, we've also removed a bunch of grapes. So we've still got some on there, but now these will benefit more from having more energy put to the bunch. So I'm going to go all through this plant, going all the way down, checking each one. See, we've got some runners here that have come out. So we're going back one leaf, and then we're going all the way back down this one, and we're giving a good clear out. 1. This one's got tangled up, and we can see a clearer pattern of the grapes just by removing the runners. already. It's looking clearer. So here we have a runner. We're going to go back to one leaf and we're giving it a chop, removing all of this, and then we check how many spurs, how many grapes are on one spur. So this one's only got one, that's got two, so remove that one. Difficult to see, so you have to get into the so there's a runner that's come through there that can be removed. It's grown all the way up, hard to see, but here we go, another runner here, so we can cut that one down, and we've also cut off one of the bunches, and we've left one bunch left. I'm going to cut off this runner. We've got a runner coming out the back here. I'm going to have a look at this. It's got two grapes. So I'm going to cut away at this one and we'll remove that one. So we're removing a bunch, but we're leaving another bunch still on the vine, on the spur. So there's a runner that's coming up here. That can be removed. And that's the one I've removed earlier. So it's all looking a lot clearer. So we're just going to go through removing all the runners, checking each one of these for two. So that each one's got one. We'll remove that one. Sometimes they've got three. This one has three. 1, 2, 3. It's a bit of a shame when they're growing to remove them, but it helps with the plant in the long run. So we also got to look further down, as it's sent out many shoots down the bottom too. So just after a bit of a prune, it's looking so much better already. Just a small shot time at time. So this is all the runners that we removed. Seems a bit drastic, but it's looking really good now. So we've been through and we've checked all the grapes, and each spur now has one set of grapes, and it's certainly thinned out a lot, and the old bumblebees are certainly enjoying it in here. So I hope that helps. If you find it useful, then let me know in the comments. If you've got a grape, and have you pruned yours? And there's one that I've missed. Let me know in the comments. And what grape are you growing? That'd be also interesting. So, thank you very much. If you're new to my channel, then please subscribe. Ring that bell. Get some notifications when I post some more. So, thank you very much. Cheers.